I'm Eddie Field. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to set up and mount the Blink video camera. Let's dive in. Now this is generation 2, and my model actually came with the hinge type mounting hardware. It simply snaps in the back, and then you mount from there. I understand that newer models don't actually come with the mounting hardware. You need to purchase that separate. You can purchase the hinge kind, or you can purchase the socket kind. Either way, both have the same premise. There'll be a circle in the back of the camera that the mounting hardware snaps into. Then you can mount and adjust from there. This installation actually comes with mounting hardware, screws and anchors. Now for the back door, we're going to use the original hinge kind of mount that came with the camera. We're going to screw that mount to the soffit and then snap in the hinge mount, and then we can adjust from there. Now whether you're using the hinge mount or the socket kind, you'll see that there's a circle. That circle matches up with the back of the camera. It snaps into place, and you can rotate your camera based on your need because of that circle. Now open your camera by unlocking it by pressing that down arrow and rotating down away from that arrow. Insert your batteries as shown. They will then start flashing red looking for connection. Open the Blink app, click the plus sign to add your camera. Select Blink wireless camera. Next, point your phone camera to the QR code inside the battery compartment. Select the system you want to add the camera to. You probably only have one. The app will give you some pointers on camera placement. Your camera has been added. Scroll down to your camera. It will have an obscure name. Click on the settings icon. You can see the status of your camera addition. In a moment, you'll see the device paired with your system. Now click on the settings icon again, and you can change the name in the name field. Then click Save. It's just that easy. Put the door on with the arrow pointing down and rotate it up till you hear a click. Now we're ready for mounting it. It turns out the 3M adhesive was not strong enough to hold it long term, so I screwed it into the soffit. But it was strong enough to hold it for a little bit until I got the first screw started. Now onto the back door. For more helpful home improvement tips like this, click the image on your screen now.